Sam, what brings you here?
A bit under the weather again.
Can I see your earlier report?
I am not carrying them. Is it needed?
Of course. See, now I will have to run all the checks again.
Is there a way I can manage this better?
I can surely prescribe a solution, Sam. All your records can be stored here and accessed from anywhere.
Tell me more about it. I am already feeling better.
Over a cup of hot coffee? Sam, Alice. In fact, she can add to our conversation about Wrizto and tell you more about how it has made life easier.
Just easier. They are redefining the healthcare sector with top-notch data management. Only they seem to understand the value of having a history of your health and medicine. You can not only have the doctor's prescription and reports, but all the information related to healthcare at your fingertips. Frictionless data management, as I call it.
Yes, with technology, Wrizto is truly redefining data management in the healthcare sector.
And making life easier for all of us.
Hey guys, I have something waiting. Excuse me, I'll join back.
What happens in case of hospital admission, insurance claims and billing?
Good question, Sam. Wrizto makes life even easier. You can individually choose to share specific information with your doctor, your insurance agent, your pharmacist, with the lab, and even with the accounts department seamlessly.
That's comforting to know.
Sam, look at this. This is a must-have for your home. You have older parents staying with you. You can now do the basic checks at home and reach out to me in real time.
They look so sleek and cool. Healthcare gadgets from Wrizto.
And I know your next question. It is reliable, accurate, and it's compliant with global health standards.
And I don't know how to thank you guys for making this so simple and easy for me.
Just thank Wrizto for making healthcare simpler and easier.
Truly, healthcare made easy.